Basically it shows like the keys and the values.
Okay, so what is the key and what is the value?
The key is like I guess that's like the variable, and the value is like what's
Okay,
inside of it.
so map is a collection of key value pair. Okay, so key should be anything that represent the name, that represent its entity. Okay,
Mhm.
um, and the value can be retrieved from its key. Okay,
Okay.
so from its key.
Hmm.
Now, there are other in other programming language, we can also say the hash map. We can also say the linked hash map, and like these type of things. Okay,
Yeah.
so we have talked about the map. So how can we define this? So first of all, let's write here void main, and I have to write this. Okay,
Mhm.
now like if I put here var data equal to, and I just put here, and I write here like name, and name could be the like this one Rohan, and
Mhm.
then we can put the like education. लड़के आगे
Yeah.
उधर सेट करो. Okay, education, and
Mhm.
we can write here the education, and name could be the
Like college or something.
okay, and now education could be like college, whatever
Yeah.
you can. Okay. Okay, now if we want to print this data, so we can write here print, and we can write here a data. Okay, so map is a collection of keys and values pair. Okay, now this is a little bit understandable things. Now what if I want to write var data equal to I want to put here the key should be the integer. Okay, if the key should be the integer, how can we do this? Like if I want to put here the one, and one is at one is, and put the name, put the Johan, and put that at the 2 point, you can put the you can put that college, like with college. Okay,
Oh.
in this way. Now if let me the name is already defined, so put here a dat, and then print the dat also. Can it print? Yeah, its name. Oh,
Should
sorry,
be
I
that.
have to
Yeah.
put here dat. Now you can see one and college. It means it can be okay. Good. You can put any type of data, or can you put here the integer also?
Um,
Yes.
no. Oh, you
You
can,
can
yeah.
put.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
Now, can if we want to specific, like just like a list, when we talk about the list, then we told that a list could be an integer.
Yeah.
And then how can we specify in the map? So we can specify in the map is like uh, integer,
Yeah.
comma, string. Sorry, string.
Oh,
Okay.
so that the integer would be the key and the
It means that
value.
key only, all the keys could be the integer, and all
Uh-huh.
the values could be the in the string format.
Okay,
So
I see.
the way that we have told. Okay. Now, if what happens if maybe I can write here maybe I can write here the one could be the 4034. Maybe here maybe is correct. Could be the sorry, maybe here at 3rd point maybe a true. Okay, maybe
Mhm.
at 4 point it could be a 45.6. There are different types of values there.
Yeah.
So nice. Now you can see some errors, like the argument type, the element type int cannot be assigned to below type value. This is the
Yeah.
int bool cannot assign because we have specified dimension. How can we manage this?
Also,
Like what type of data? We don't need to take attention. Okay, so we
uh,
can put here the other thing that we can put here a dynamic.
Okay, dynamic.
Okay,
Okay.
so dynamic will get all the data, whatever that you will write.
Okay.
Okay, now there's assignment for you. What can we put here the war?
Oh,
Because war
right there.
can we put here the war or not? Like this one.
I think you should be able to, right?
No,
No.
you can't write.
Oh, you can't?
So
Okay.
now I'm just, this is assignment for you. What is the difference between var and dynamic?
Okay.
Okay. So dynamic can also get all the values. I have showed you the example.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, if I put here object, so no, you can see it's again running.
Yeah.
So let's put here and object
Yeah,
also.
object. Okay.
So this is your assignment, a little assignment. Okay.
Okay.
So what is the difference between var and dynamic and object? Okay.
Okay.
Nice. We have work on the maps, and you have to, understand the things very easily. The recommended method to use here are dynamic. Okay.
Dynamic. Okay.
Yeah, and you can put every type of data. You can write here dynamic also.
Okay.
Okay, so now whatever the data it will come, we don't need to take tension. Okay,
Yeah.
in this way.
Okay.
So dynamic is very perfect thing, very good thing. Okay, now if I just write here run time type,
Okay.
okay, what it will happen? Um, uh, it says JSON linked hash map, dynamic and dynamic.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it means that it tell us the dynamic. If I just put here the integer, and now what it will tell us, uh,
So,
no, sorry, can we delete this thing? And now if we want to check the runtime type, like what is the type of that, the values, then maybe it says yes, it's the object and it's the object.
okay. So it just
Like
tells you what type it is.
yeah, the type,
Okay.
because we have the string here. If we put the string here again, if we put the string here again, what could be the result now? Now in this
String,
way,
right? String in the first one.
let's, yeah, the first
Yeah.
is a string and
Yeah.
the second could be the this one. Okay, so you can also check the runtime type,
Okay.
and you can also specify the type whatever you want.
Yeah.
Okay, so now, if you want to get the size of the map, how can you do this? Like, if I just put here a dat dot length.
Yeah.
Okay, so in this way, you can get the length of that map.
Okay. 4. Yeah.
Yeah. And you can also clear the map, like you can clear the map like you can see here. If I will just put here the dat data, sorry, uh, data dot clear. Okay, in
Okay.
this way, now if I'm again printing the data, you can see it could be clear.
Okay.
You can see it's clear
Oh,
now.
I see. Yeah.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
you can also check other properties like dot is empty. What is the
Mm-hmm.
result of this?
True.
Yeah, good. It's true. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You can also check the is not empty and other things that, but these are not. Okay. Okay. Now you have done with the this thing, and how can we put an other data into this data type? Like, let me tell you, I'm just commenting out all the things, and
Mm-hmm.
I'm putting here a data, and I'm putting here the like maybe the age, maybe the age, this is the key, and I'm putting here 34. Okay,
Okay.
now if I'm just printing this data, you can see here this one, and yes, uh, it is an error. Why? A value of type int cannot be assigned to the value of type int. Okay, it
Hmm.
means that um,
Oh, does it
doesn't
need to be a
ex-
string
it
or?
doesn't accepting the things.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, and
You have to like typecast it or something, or
no need to choose the typecast.
oh,
Okay, we can consider this thing in another way, but it should be work. Like, let me check here at third point. Can I put here in this way? Mhm. No. Okay. If we define that like string
yeah,
and put here the string.
yeah,
Now, if I just put here the uh, uh, mm,
string there.
age, and in this way, let's work
Mhm.
now. So it's
Oh,
accepted,
okay.
but we have to put here the integer, or we have to put here dynamic. It's
Yeah.
good now. So what
So it
happened?
adds it to the end of the
And
map.
now, yeah, now just write here 34 because we have put this thing a dynamic.
Yeah. Okay. I see.
You can see now it's working perfectly.
Hmm.
Okay, now to add another data, like if I'm just putting data dot add. Okay, is there any add option here? Data dot add option here?
Add all.
At all? No, just put here put if absent.
What if
Okay,
action?
so
Okay.
put if absent have a key and then a function if absent. Okay,
Okay.
so let me try. So I'm checking if the fourth value, I'm just putting here at the fourth point, like I'm just putting here like age is already present, and if I'm just putting again the age, okay,
Uh-huh.
and then I'm just putting here the here it accept a function, okay,
Okay.
and I'm just putting here the what I want to put here, it could be the uh, put if absent, age could be the print. I am going to print out the data, maybe. Let me check. What is the result of this? Age 34. Can we put here um 56? And in this way, no, expected to find in this way. Yeah. Okay, now let's check. Yeah, it's not putting because the function, what is the definition of this function? Returns the value associated to the key if there's no otherwise called if absent. This means that,
So if there's nothing there, then it will do it.
yeah, like if I will put here the HT height and I put here uh, 5.8.
Hmm.
Now let's check. Ah, perfect.
Oh, I see.
No, oh, but it says the height
Hold
is
on.
null. Why
Hmm.
it says the null value? Hmm.
Hmm.
Hmm. Okay, for this, let me put this thing into a var new data equal to in this way, and now just putting in this way, and now let me print new data. Okay, again.
Yeah.
Now run this. What it says? It does. It says. It says.
Can't declare.
Okay, just cut this and putting here. Okay, because the scope matters.
Okay.
It says the null value. Um, if I just put here the, if I just put here the, uh, put here height could be 34.6. In this way, it should work. Why it says
Semicolon, I think.
sorry, semicolon, and Now, what is the working of this procedure? Says the null value. Let me cut this and paste it here and just remove this. And now checking if it is working or not. Height is null. Height is null.
No.
Height, height is null. I think so. We have to put here a return.
Okay.
Let me check it now. Ah, yes, good.
Oh yeah. Okay, I see. Yeah.
So because this function have to return something, and then it will work.
Okay, I see.
Can we ignore these things like this is the function and this function ends there now? Okay,
Mm-hmm.
we can do this thing with the arrow sign here. Okay, now
Oh, you
put here 45.6. Do you know about the arrow functions?
no, I don't know about the arrow
Okay,
function.
okay. Now there's a shortcut. Like if I'm going to make the function, like function is sum, and we can write here in this way, and we have to write here return. Okay,
Yeah.
this is the function. Okay, we
Mhm.
can declare it in another way. The other way is sum this and this. It
Oh,
means it means that just uh, this one and this one is equal to this one.
oh, okay, I see. So you can use that too.
Ah, yes, you can use that.
Oh,
But there's a condition.
okay.
The condition is if you want to uh, show only one statement in the body,
Uh-huh.
then you can use this arrow
Okay.
sign.
Okay.
But if you have another statement like there's a return 34 and you can again things like print
If
like
you have more
return,
than one statement,
then
yeah.
you can't use this arrow brackets.
Okay.
Otherwise, you can use the brackets.
Okay. So
Otherwise,
if it's only
you
one
can.
statement, then you can. Okay.
Yes. Understand?
Yeah, got it.
Good. Okay. Now, do we need to use this thing or not? Let me check it. No. Okay. No need for
No.
that. Okay.
So it was.
Now we have done with this thing perfectly, and we have put if absent, and you have know about all the things very perfectly. And now, can we use the word like if I'm just putting here data dot remove, okay, and I am removing the name with the name.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'll again printing the data, and now let's check it. You can see
Okay. Yeah.
what it has. Okay, yeah, you can
It
see
was-
the name is removed.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can remove by the key, and this value and the key will also be removed. Okay.
Hmm.
Now, yeah, let's make some more things. Can we put here data dot remove where? Okay, we
Okay.
want to remove where. Put here the key, put here the v. You can also put the key, you can also put the value. Okay,
Okay.
whatever that you will write. Okay,
Uh-huh.
and you can say here the in this way, and you can write here the return, and you can write here the uh, value, where the value dot starts with. We have talked about the starts with, I think so.
Yeah.
Where it is starts uh, with, and I'm putting here the starts with uh, where the value starts with c.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
um, what is the issue here? Can you identify this issue? um uh, I see. Oh, understand. Okay, now let me put the things again. Okay, now what we have done, we have put the wrong things, like dot remove where, and remove where have a function. Okay,
Oh, yeah.
each have a key and a v. Okay, now I just put here a return, and sorry, return just in this way.
Yeah.
Now just put here the V. Okay.
So it should
Now,
remove column.
yeah, it will check where is C. Uh, if it starts with C, then it will be removed. Oh, what is the issue? What is the issue? Typo error is not a function. Error J dot. Oh, it says that uh, starts with a C is not a function.
Oh, do you need to import something or no?
No, no need to import.
Oh,
Let's check it. Just copying it
sure.
and just uh, putting here in this way. And now let's check this. Uh,
Yeah.
let's check it. Is it working fine or not?
Hmm.
No. Starts with dollar sign one.
See,
Uh,
uh,
is not a function at error J dot. Okay.
you
Mm,
spelled it right, so I'm not
I
sure.
think so. Spelling is okay. And it should remove key and value and
Mm.
think so it is okay. Starts with, if I will check here the wrong
Oh,
one.
is it because V is not defined as a string, maybe? Because
No, it's already maybe, yeah, it could be. It could be, if we put here in this way. Now this could create an error, and this could create an error. Let's put everything in the, now just put here C and let's check. Good.
okay.
Good. Yeah, got it. It means that because the starts with only work with a string,
Okay, yeah. So it
so
only
that's why.
works with a string. Okay.
Yes. So you can make other functions, like we have already note down these functions like v dot. You can see the lot of ends with index of
Yeah.
last index, a lot of things we have already work on these type of things. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, so we can also remove on the specific condition if there is another like other thing like in this way, and it should again select with C, it will also be removed. Understand?
Yeah. Yeah.
So everything that will start from the C will be removed.
Hmm.
Okay, so you can see
Yep. It's
there are only two options.
yeah.
Okay. Now we have worked with the remove where functions, and um, now can we make two lists, and we want to set the key and value of both these. Like let me tell you, like if I have put here a list, and the list could be the indexes. uh, okay,
Yeah.
and not in, we can put here the info, and we can put here the info, or you can put here the keys, and you can put here a name, you can put here the values, sorry, you can put here the age, you can put the HEIGHT height, you can put the whatever education. Okay, and now I'm just using here the values, and put here value could be the Imran, value
Mhm.
could age could be the whatever, like you can say 34, you
Mhm.
can put height could be 5.6, you can put education could be a college. Okay, so what I'm doing now, I'm going to use these things as a combination in a map.
Okay.
It means that converting two lists into a map. Okay, so how can we write? We have to write here a map. Okay, so map, what are the type of that map? It could be the map dot, maybe you will see from iteratables.
Okay.
Okay, so iteratables, and iteratables you can put here a keys, and other thing is values.
Okay.
Understand?
Yeah.
And now save these values into a one thing like D and print all the things like D. Okay,
Okay.
let's check if it is working or not.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, nice. You can see we can make the keys and values pair
Yeah.
in this way also. Okay, it means we can convert two lists into a map.
Yeah.
Okay. So what happens if we will put here another value like this? What happens?
Will it be null or something? Oh.
Yeah, it says iterable don't have the same length. So it
Okay.
means that it should have in the same length.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we talk about the things and we have talked about the for loop again. Yeah,
Yeah.
it
Yeah. We
treated of
did.
for, yeah, what I in, if I put here the D, sorry, in D, and now if I just write here in this way, and we can print out here I
Mhm.
dot, just if I put just I here, so what it happens, why it is saying this D, the type used in loop must be, uh, must implement the type map dynamic used in for loop must implement iteratable. Okay, it means that uh, it means that can we put here map? Mm. Mm. For I in keys and values pair and okay. Hmm, uh, let me check here. Like if I want to show D dot uh, for each, can we put here? Yes, for each, and we can use the for each in this way or not. And we can put here a key and put here a V, and we can can we put here a print key? Yeah, we can use this.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we can apply all the, because now it's becomes a map, and we can use the map in this way. And map, the first value is the key, and the second value is the value. Okay.
Value.
Okay, so start again.
Yeah.
Okay, now we have talked about the list, and we have also make the iteratable values. Now let's make another thing like if I have a map like like fruits, and I can say the fruit name could be one zero could be the zero could be the apple,
Mhm.
and at one it could be the banana. Okay, and in this way, and then I will again a fruits two, it's two and it's one, and
Mhm.
if I just putting here in this way, and I am putting here at two, it could be the, sorry, it could be the cherry,
Mhm.
and now I'm just putting here another fruits, it could be in this way, and it could be three could be mango, and can you tell another fruits?
Orange.
Orange. So do you like orange?
No. I mean, I just named that one.
Okay, so how can we add all these things into one map?
Mhm.
Okay, so we can add all fruits equal to, and we can write here the we have a lot of functions like we can write here map
Mhm.
dot from we can write here from fruits 1. Okay,
Okay.
then we can write here two things like two. Then we can put here add all. Then I can put here fruits 2. Okay, like
Mm-hmm.
fruits 2.
Mm-hmm.
And then you can put here add all, and you can put here a fruits 3. Sorry, its name could be a fruits 3.
Yeah.
Fruits 3.
So it adds it all into one map.
Yeah, it's let me check what is double dot in dot.
Okay.
And double dot, where is this? Where is this? What is the um, maybe it is used for adding the values, but
Okay.
you can search on it. I don't remember. I have tasked about. I know about. There's a double 3 also. There's a double 2 1 also. 2 also.
Okay.
So I don't know about the double 2, but I have used it a lot of time. But whenever you need to add the two things, you
Uh-huh.
can use the uh, in this way. Okay, just like
Okay.
if you want to var t equal to, if you want to add both these, then you can put here like in this way
Mm-hmm.
keys. You can put here values.
Oh, like is that like instead of a comma or something?
But I think so you have to put here a 3.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, in this way. I
Mm.
think so, and I think so it could be a comma there or not. Yes, in this way you can do this. Okay, if you want to make all the list into a single, maybe you can use this 3 dots, and it means
Mm-hmm.
that this is called a subtract operator. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
if I will tell you about what are the 3 dots, then maybe it shows us the what happens to my okay. So 3 dots means subtract operator, and I don't know about the 2 dots. Maybe I'll search out and I will tell you. Okay, but
Okay.
you can see you can use 2 dots to add a lot of values there.
Okay. Hmm. I see.
Good, understand. So
Yeah.
you have checked everything is merged now, and
Mm-hmm.
now if we will write 0 again, what happens?
Uh,
It put a
what
0.
it
It's
replaces
replaced.
it?
Yeah, it's
Oh,
replaced. It get the latest value.
oh, okay. I see.
Okay. Now, how can we add in another way? Like if the first way could be this, and the second way could be the var all a uh, af all fruits equal to. I'm just putting this one, and you can put all the things again, like in this way also. Control C, and you can put in this way. Okay,
Okay.
and you can put here af. Now you can see the two
Add
things are
two
added.
and
Okay,
two.
yeah.
Okay.
And how can you do in another way? Let me tell you the other method.
Okay.
Like you can also check here for af equal to, and in this way, the same like I have told you about the list, how to
The
add. Just put the subtract operator and put here a fruits 1,
one.
then comma, then put 3 dots,
Mm-hmm.
then fruits 2, then comma, put 3 dot, fruits 3.
Okay. I see.
Okay, so you can do this in this way also. Same works with the list and same works with
Mm-hmm.
the maps.
Okay.
Okay, you can also check the keys, like you can also check the for print aa dot contains key. Okay, so a contains key, you can check if this apple like 0 is available or not, like sorry, in this way. Okay, you can also check the values again, like contains values, and it will return the true and false. Sorry, contains values. Just remove this, and not a value, it could be the value. Okay, now you can check in this way also. Okay, now it will return the true or false. Okay,
Okay,
apple is available.
I see.
Okay, we have talked about the we have talked about the for loop. We can apply. How can we apply the for each loop into the map also? Okay, and we can uh, we can also sort. How can we sort this map? Okay, if you want to add some this is a map literals. How this is called a map literals actually, like in this way. This is called a map literals. So you can define the map literals here. We are going to define a map literal here. Okay, if the other thing to define the map is to use the map constructor like info, and you can use a map here. Yeah, no, in this way you can put here a map using a map constructor. Okay, now you can again do the same thing, like now this map is empty. If user want to add the value, if the data is coming from the backend, so we have just used this map constructor, and then maybe if the new data is coming, so in this way, and you can put whatever the value it is. Okay,
Yeah.
so you can use all the operations in the same way that we have done with this thing. Okay,
Okay.
so it means that if you don't want to declare, so it means that you have two options to declare map now. The first should be this one using map constructor. So we can say using map constructor, and in here you can say using map literals. Okay, um literals. Okay, now in this way you can write here in this way. Okay, so both are the same. Okay, now you have learned about a lot of the map, I think so. And
Yeah.
maybe maybe there are some more methods there, like remove where, put if absent, for each we have done, contains key, contain v, values, add all. Maybe this is a method. Let's check this method again. Okay, so we
Okay.
have, if we have left something, so how can we add all? Mean to say, it means that if we want to add all the value in the a, okay, so put a dot add all. Okay, so just write here in this way and enjoy the all values. Like if we want to put here f at 5, 5 could be tell me the fruit name.
Grapes. I don't know. Yeah.
Okay,
Strawberry,
and
grape.
6 could be the grapes. Okay,
So
and
this is a way to manually input it, basically.
yeah, it means you can add a lot of values, whatever you can want.
Okay.
Okay, but let me show it is working or not. Oh, what it says, the a is already defined. This
Oh
one,
yeah, yeah. You did that.
this one. Now let me check here, print and a. Just ignore this one and this one again. You can see orange, strawberry, grapes. So you can add multiple values at once also.
That works.
What are the other things, like update? No need to use update function for now. And contains key, add values, length is empty. Yeah, we have done almost all the things now.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is about the loops, maps. So let's take a little assignment for you. So what we have mm, uh, let's see what assignments that we have to show you today. And We have okay, and let me check it. Okay, now let's make a little game, whatever we have done till today. Okay. Um, I'm just ignoring all the things
Okay.
and commenting everything now, and you can use so in this way. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
let's make a game,
Okay.
whatever we have worked till now, like make a game time and make a game of rock, rock, paper, scissors.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, do you know about this game?
Yeah, yeah.
Ah, that's good. So what is the rule of this game?
Um, so if one person does a rock and one person does a scissors, the rock wins, and then
Good.
paper versus scissors, scissors wins, like that.
That's good. Now let's make this game in in Dart. Okay.
Okay.
So we can the user will select any value.
Mm-hmm.
Like user can choose rock, paper, or scissor. We can make this game with computer, and computer can select any of them, and then yes, we will check who will win. Okay,
Okay.
there are a lot of things involved there. Okay, so open the replit.com because we are going to take user input values. So that's why I'm going to use this replit.com. Okay,
Okay.
for user input. So
Okay.
I think so we have already done with this thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, now let's create a new ripple, and I can also share this ripple with you. So rock, uh, paper, scissors, game.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, this is created now, and mm, let's make it possible. Okay. Now you can see this is the hello world, and let's write here. We can write here, welcome to the rock, paper, scissor, scissors, scissor game.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So we have done with this rock, paper, scissors game. It says us and welcome to the rock, paper, scissors game. Understood?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now let's make a little bit font size, little bit large, and this way. Okay. Now, um, now what I'm going to use here are random numbers. Do you know about how to get the random numbers?
No, I don't.
Okay. So let's create a random numbers here now. Like
Mm-hmm.
if for random number, I have to put here a var,
Uh-huh.
and I have to put here a like dot. Think about the var. Put here a random, and
Mhm.
then put here like r
All
any variable, and put here a random.
right. Okay.
So this is where we have called the class of the random, but this
Mhm.
is import somewhere else. Okay,
Okay.
so we have to import this thing. How can we? Oh, sorry. How can we import this? Just like import
Dart.
and put here
Dart.
a dart colon math. Okay.
Okay.
Now if we print the R, what is the result of this R?
It's just
It says a instance of random. Okay.
mhm.
So we have to make some more things, like what type of random things you want. Do you want to random string, next bool, next double, or
Integer,
next int? Okay.
right?
If I put the integer, it will accept one thing like maximum value, where it will randomize. So I can put here
So
the,
3.
for example, 300. Okay,
Okay.
so it will show the maximum value of the 300. So you can see 20 to
And
8, you can
yeah.
see the 240, you can see the 240 54. Okay, so we
Uh-huh.
can also put the minimum value, like minimum value could be a 250 and then 300.
Okay.
But just give me a minute. uh, what it says, Generate a non-negative number. Okay. It means that it will get the maximum value. Next int and I don't think so it will work. Okay, now. Okay,
Mhm.
so you can see the things are coming perfectly,
Yeah.
and random next int is generating. We can also put here var because it is a type inference and it will check the values by default.
Okay.
Okay, now let's make the rule of the game. Okay, like
Mhm.
let's make the rule of the game like rule of game. Okay, and make here the game could be the it could be the map. Okay, and it could be the string, and it could be the string again because rock paper and scissors all
Okay.
are the strings. And now it's just make here the rules and put here in this way. Okay, so we have to define here the rules. Okay,
Yeah.
so what I'm going to make here, like if a rock will win against scissors. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
understand?
Yeah.
Scissors. Sorry, it is now go here and put here again what could be other it could be
Scissors
scissors.
against paper.
Scissors win against paper.
Yeah.
Okay, uh,
Then
against paper.
paper and then rock.
Then yeah, then paper, then could be a rock. Understand? Okay, now
Yeah.
we have defined the rule and we have a make a key value pair that we have learned today. Okay, about the map.
Yeah.
Now, what I'm going to write right here, maybe initial score, like var initial score could be the 0,
Hmm.
and maybe we can put here the var computer score could be also a 0 for now. Okay,
Yeah.
and now we have an options, like we have an options, but we have to check here maybe a three options, like if I want to put here options equal to in this way, and I am putting here rock is the option, we can
Hmm.
put here select the rock, we can select the paper, we can select the scissors. Let me copy
Hmm.
this. Okay, we have a three options: rock,
Yeah.
paper, and scissors. Understand?
Yeah.
Good. Now, now I'm putting here a string and putting here a choice. Now, if it is better to use a user choice, okay,
Hmm.
and I'm putting here. How can we put the user choice? So it is very easy. Just stdn dot read line sync and in this way. Understand? Till now, everything is clear or not?
I think sync is spelled wrong on your thing.
Yeah.
Sync, read line sync. I think sync is spelled wrong.
Sorry. Okay.
Yeah.
I think so. You have understand everything till then.
Uh,
Okay.
Actually, on the random dot next int up there, shouldn't it be? Would it be 10 still, or would it be 3? I think, right? Oh.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
For the random next int,
Okay.
line 7,
Yeah.
would it be 3? Because it's only 3 options: rock, paper, and
Um,
scissors.
I just told you the concept of the random.
Oh, that was
We
just
will
the
use,
concept. Okay.
maybe we
Okay.
can use it in another way. Maybe.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now we have put the options, and now let's make another thing like we can write here
Yeah.
print, please enter your choice, please uh, choose one of them, rock, rock, paper,
Or scissors.
scissor. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and now this is developed for the user choice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now we have worked with the user choice perfectly. Now let's work on the uh, computer choice. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so maybe we can put here the computer choice could be the we don't know about the computer choice, but we don't want to show the user about the computer choice.
Yeah.
Is let me just for now, and we can write here the we are going to randomize the like we have an option in this way. We have an options, and
Mhm.
we are going to randomize the options actually.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are going to randomize the options. Then we have to use here r dot next int. Okay,
Mhm.
because it's a list, so that's why we can put here the list, and it could be the 3. Understand?
Yeah. Yeah. Got it.
And store it into a variable like computer choice.
Yeah.
So computer choice equal to, okay, understand?
Yeah.
Now it's better to use the options dot length.
Right. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
uh, uh, yeah, please choose one of them, rock
Rock.
paper or
Yeah.
scissors. Good. Now,
Mm-hmm.
I think so everything is clear now, and now let's work on the logical part that we have to work like um, uh, if I'm going to put here if, and I'm going to put here if options dot contains,
Uh-huh.
okay, user choice, user choice choice. Okay, then what we have to do, I'm putting here a not. Okay,
Yeah.
if options doesn't contains the user choice, then
Yeah.
we can put here invalid choice.
Yeah.
Understand?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Then we put here else if, and we can make another choice. Like, can we put here if the if
Yes.
computer choice computer choice equal to user choice, then what should happen?
It's a
uh,
tie
then
or
what should
something.
happen? It says, yeah, that's good. It could be a tie.
Yeah.
You are tie. Understanding logic?
Mhm. Yeah.
Good. Now it's else if, and we have to make another logic. Like maybe we can see that if rules, we make a rules somewhere. Yeah, we
Uh-huh.
have a rules, and maybe the rules is here is the rules, and we are want to get the keys of all the rules. Okay,
Yeah.
if we want to get the rules and rule, if rule is a computer choice, like computer computer choice. Okay, sorry, computer choice, it's very difficult to write everything by
Yeah.
hand.
It's
So
okay.
if rules computer choice is equal to user choice,
Okay.
okay, then we can say uh, print sorry, print
Wait, where is
uh,
the rules from? Is that from the
uh, this is a rule, this is the computer value, maybe key that
Oh,
could be entered by the yeah, computer choice. Okay,
okay.
if computer choice value is equal to user choice, then we can say computer win. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and we can also make just copy this and just print out this, and we can write here if rules user choice equal to computer
Computer
choice.
choice.
Okay,
Okay.
then user win. And
Mm-hmm.
again we can also put here computer like computer score. Is there anything here? Computer score, we have described the thing here.
I think we did the yeah,
Yeah,
computer score,
computer
yeah.
score, just make an one increment in the computer score. Okay,
Okay.
if
Yeah.
computer wins, so put here the
Plus.
computer score plus one. Okay,
Uh-huh.
in this way, or you can write you can also write in this way, like plus equal to one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you know
Mm-hmm.
about this thing?
Yeah, I know about
Yeah,
that.
this is called a compound assignment operator. I
Yeah.
think the basic. Okay. Now just put here again this one, and just
That
make
one
here
should be initial score, right? Initial
yeah,
score.
initial score. You can put here the user score. It's
Yeah,
better.
user score, yeah.
User score. Just put here and put here in this way. Okay, and now let's put here a user win, and user win and score is dollar sign user score. Understand?
Yeah. Yeah.
And we can make this thing in this way, and we can put here control C and and
Mm.
score is this way, and put here a dollar sign. And now run this. Let's see. Oh,
Oh, it contains is spelled wrong. Yeah.
yeah, contains spelling is not good. but but I feel happy that I didn't make a lot of mistakes while writing code.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because everything we have to write by himself. Okay, so please choose one of them. I will put here a rock. Who could okay, rock.
Okay, rock.
So computer choice is oh, what it happens? Uh, uh,
It's not randomizing the computer
uh,
choice.
uh, okay. Let me remove this thing, and let me check, make the computer choice on the top
Okay.
here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Um, is everything is fine? Yeah, fine.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now run this, and let's paper.
Okay.
It's not working.
I think you
Uh,
commented out the print computer choice. Yeah.
we don't need this actually.
Oh,
We don't want to. But let me check what computer, if computer is randomizing or not.
yeah. I
Uh,
don't think it's like
okay, so let's check it again, and let's check it like paper, and computer choice is rock.
okay.
So it means it's working, but
Oh yeah.
it's working. It says a rock for the first time, and now if we make again, it says that it
Oh,
says,
there we
and it
go.
says you are tie.
Uh-huh.
Yes, the computer also select a tie because it's randomizing. It's randomizing these options actually
Yeah.
in this way. Understanding clearly or
Mm-hmm.
not? Okay. Now
Yeah,
if I
yeah.
just put here a rock, what computer choice is Caesar, but it now
So
I
it's
think
not
so.
working
Um,
when it's other than a tie, it's not working.
Aha, yes, yes. So, how can we do this? How can we do this? Mm, 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 mm.
I think it must be it's a problem with the rules condition, I think. So, um,
Mm. A computer score +1, and user choice could be this one, and then. I think so. Everything is working fine.
hmm,
Uh, um, um, okay, let me check it. Can I put here uh, here if one, and after this if part, can I wait? Continue here. Continue here. Can I put? Oh, sorry. Control X. No. What is happening there? Okay, can we remove the uh, this one, and oh sorry, and this one, and now let's check. uh, Please enter paper, computer choice is Caesar. Oh,
hmm,
why it is
prompting. So
Let me make everything. This is the if condition, this is the if condition, this is the else condition, and let's make it cut and put everything in a while condition. If while condition is true, then make these things happen.
okay.
Let me check it. If paper, I don't think so it will work.
Hmm.
Hmm.
It's got to be the because it's the rules. If the rules of the user choice is equal to the computer choice, I think it's something wrong with that.
Um, what I feel that, yeah, we are making a mistake, like there's no string there in this way. We have to put
Oh,
in this way. Sorry,
yeah.
in this way. Now let's run this and let's check it. Paper and user wins and
There we
score
go.
is 1.
Yeah.
Understand? And rock and user win and score is 1 again.
Mhm.
And paper, maybe computer wins and score is 1. Oh, I think so. That's good.
Yeah, that works. Yeah.
Okay, so I think so. You have understand a lot today.
Yeah.
You have make a little bit game today also, and I think so. You feel happy to make a programming logical game. So we just
Yeah.
make a UI now. That's why I'm well. A lot of time I was worried. Most of the time I have teach almost 100+ students till now, and people want to learn UI.
Yeah.
People want to make apps quickly, but
Hmm.
but uh, but but they can't understand about the logical part. They don't want to learn the Dart programming actually. As
Uh-huh.
your father asked me to make the app of app for cryptocurrency, and I feel that's how can I make the app of cryptocurrency to someone, the bigger app who doesn't know about the programming, maybe a
Yeah.
30% or 20%. So I think so if you make these type of things, if you make practices, if you make Dart programming, if you haven't, if you make a logical part in the black screen, like the logic will come from the black screen, not from the UI.
Yeah.
Okay,
Mhm.
so it's just recommended to everyone that if anyone want to learn any development, then just make 2 to 1 2 month, minimum 1 month, work on the Dart program or work on the black screen.
Mhm.
Just we have make a lot of things here, and you have learned a lot of things here, I think so. You
Yeah.
have work on the randomize, you make the rules, you make the computer choice, you are adding the score, you are options, you are checking the options, you are comparing the options. Means to say this is the game, complete game, I think so.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Ah. So just make practice on it, bro. I think so. Today there's enough for today.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. That's
I
fine.
think so.
Yeah.
So, do you have any issue about like 1 hour and like we have decided to make 1 hour and 30 minutes on daily basis? But I think so. I teach a lot of students in California individually, and they have just asked for 1 hour. But okay, I think so. We have learned a lot today, and you have learned very good things.
Yeah.
Tomorrow will be the test of you on the rock paper scissors game.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so see you. Bye bye,
All right.
and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Bye.